G'day guys, welcome back. In this step to getting BNB, you're going to learn how to stake it right now. Turn you over to my business partners and I'll show you how.
All right, here in step 5 and in step 6, Robin's going to show you how to stake your Peak token. So in the last step, step 4, she showed you how to swap BNB for Peak token, right? So now you should have Peak token in your Metamask wallet like you see here in mine in the lower right. But now we're going to show you how to stake that. And you'll also need step 6 to stake it. She's going to show you how to take a screenshot of the referral link. You want that referral link when you stake your Peak token because you get an extra 3% extra Peak when you use a referral link. It's also going to allow you to get plugged into everything that we're doing on our team to help you grow your Peak token in a number of different ways that will support you in. So here's Robin to get you started with staking your Peak token. I'll see you soon.
G'day guys, we're going to go over to the next video, the final video in this series, to staking the BNB with the Peak DeFi token. So look out for the video, the next video in this series on my YouTube, and we look forward to connecting with you there.